Chinmayi, and today on this channel I'm going to be trying out a hooded wing liner that I saw on Katie Hughes Instagram highlights. So I saw this really lovely winged eyeliner style that she did, and she's a really prolific makeup artist. I've been following her on Instagram for a while, and I saw this and I saw that a lot of people are trying this. So this is something that you can actually find it on her highlight. It's called the hooded liner. So I'm going to try this on the channel today, so let me take you right in. Hi, this is Chinmayi, and today going to be polyglutamic acid is a now what is polyglutamic acid? And the last was okay, so for this I don't have a pencil like she said, but I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D dagger tattoo liner. It's actually too risky considering what she suggested, and she did a lot of work around it, so I'm going to try it anyway. She went like so, she went up, and then she brought in the here, and then it stopped at the hood, and then that's it. And then no, I messed it up. Just that she had a really lovely eye pencil to work with, and I'm not sure if I have something like this here. So I'm going back, looking straight into the mirror. There, that's happened now finally. Do that, and I'll clean up that patch a little bit later. When my eyes are relaxed, you can still see the wing, but when I do this, you're still able to see that graphic liner thing that's going on that Katie did so beautifully on her Insta. I'm using the Innisfree Appleseed Lip and Eye Makeup Remover to just clean up around these edges. If you go with your eyeliner as many times as I do, your eye makeup remover is your best friend, and probably a lovely pencil brush. Yeah, so that's what I guess we are going for, and I hope I got this right. I'm just going to let this dry a bit before I open my eyes fully. And that's that. I guess I'm slightly glad that I actually got it done with the Kat Von D's dagger liner, and the fact that I don't think I have a pencil like the one that she uses. I think this is what she was going for. So when you look straight into the mirror, when your eyes are relaxed, you have this wing going on, and when you go this way, you have this really nice graphic eyeliner going on. So if you have, as she says, a slight hood or a baby hood or a pretty hooded eyelid, then perhaps this is the eyeliner style that you could actually try, and you might get it pretty quickly if you kind of perfect this. One of the things that if you're not able to get your wing right, you can actually use an eye makeup remover to sharpen your wing and keep going at it until you get your favorite desired shape. But you might need something really thin like this, and this, I'm not even sure what brush this is. I think this is an e.l.f. brush. So you might need something that is this thin, and probably even a winged liner brush might work, so that you know that detailing can work really well. So I'm going to go over and finish the other side. Always know that your winged liners are never going to match. You've got to work at it. This eye has a lot of cleaning up to do. So let me go about doing it. Okay, so what has happened is that the eyeliner is not sticking because of the number of times that I've gone in with the makeup remover. So I'm going in with black eyeshadow from the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette, and just going to be filling up the empty spaces and try and match the other side. This is a winged liner brush from, no, it's a small angle brush, E65 from Sigma. So when you use a black shadow, there is going to be fallouts. So make sure that if you're trying something like this, you have not applied your foundation or your under eye cream or stuff like that, and finish doing all this and then go ahead doing the rest of your foundation if you're into something like that, or your under eye cream or your sunscreen, okay, so that you can actually wipe this place off clean and then go with this. I think as of now I feel like I'm done. Even though I'm doing it, please resist the urge to go like this, because that's not the point of this style of eyeshadow. And that's that. And we are done, children. This is it. This is Katie Hughes hooded eyeliner, which when relaxed looks like a winged liner, but when you look down and you're able to see the negative space, and then it becomes like a really graphic eyeliner sort of a situation. I hope you like this video. The original highlight for this is in Katie Jane Hughes Instagram. I'm going to be leaving the link down below, and it's on her highlights. Please do try it, and if you liked it, please leave a comment on her Instagram, just as I am going to be doing. All right, see you soon. Until my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye.